everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new earning project. It is a new token and it gives you very big profit in future. So without wasting our time we can start the video. Hope you will like this video, and if you are new on my channel, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. You can see the website was open and the link of this website was available in description. Go in description and join this website. You can see golden shark coin is a name of this project, and it is a very big project that give you many profit in future. So invest with the time and get profit in future. I will tell you all detail about this token in this video, so watch the video full and hope you will enjoy and get profit in future. So without wasting our time we can start the video. As you can see, website was open and the detail was showing on screen. You will see here come the next token that will eat up all the competition. And friends, these meme tokens are very useful and give you very big profit in future. It's have no time to go up, so without wasting your time, get detail about this project and invest in it to get more profit in future. So I will tell you detail about this project. Simply I scroll down, you can see the Elon Musk tweet, and you will see the detail of this tweet. As you know that the cryptocurrency depend upon newses and every tweets and many more things, and it's go up and down with the latest news and updates. And you can see there are a very big news from Elon Musk, and it tell about this meme projects can grow up and give you more profit. As you can see, it give you 1000x profit. It's a very big profit, and you can simply read about this project and get knowledge about this project and invest in it to get more profit in future. So we can scroll down more. As you can see, available open release on, you can see the exchanges was available, which exchange was linked with it, and how much exchange was there, and the partner of this project was also showing Dextool, Pink Sale, Consult Adult, and every detail was available. And as you can see, the total supply of this token coin is 19 lakh, I think, yeah, 19 crore. And you can see the detail and contract address was also available. You can see all the detail was on screen, so must read them, and simply you will buy this project to copy this contract and go to Pink Sale or Dex tool to see the token details and information. And you can see the liquidity was total burn, tax was 0%, no tax on buying selling. And you will see the authority of this project was also available, and you can see the total distribution of this project was also showing on screen. 30% token on poll, 7% team wallet, 35% pre-sale, 20% marketing push, and 8% was airdrop. Fair cryptocurrencies for everyone. You can see the detail about this project, and the distribution was also showing on screen. Must read them, and there are the tokenomics of this project, and you will get know about this project, how it's grow and how give you profit in future. So we can scroll down and you will see the story of this project, how it develop, and how it give you profit in future. You can see, and the background of this project was also sharing in this story, so must read them to know about this token or coin and get know about everything. And it's a very big crypto community, and this token give you also a very big profit. So without wasting our time, must read the detail and invest in it to get more profit in future. And now you can see the roadmap of this project. It is a very also important part of this project. There are three phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1, you can see basic thing was launch, website, social media marketing, social media accounts. And in phase 2 you will see the coin was listed on many exchanges, as you can go and buy from these exchanges. And also you will see many more details in future, so must read them and get know about this project, and you will get more profit in future. So now I will share with you social media account of this project to get daily updates and news. So friend, you can see the Twitter account of this project. Must follow them for latest news and update. You can see the Twitter account of this project. Must follow them. You can see latest updates and news about project was shared on this Twitter account. It's a verified Twitter account of this project, so must join them and follow them for latest news and updates. It helps you get more profit in future, so must follow them and get news and updates. And also join the telegram group of this project. Simply you can go to the telegram and join them for latest news and update to get more profit in future. So these are the all the details of this project I will share with you in this video. Now I will share you how to buy this coin. Simply you can go to the pink sale and you will see the fair launch. It was coming up and the time period was only 3 hours. You can go and participate in fair launch and buy from this pink sale. Simply you can connect your wallet with MetaMask and another wallet, and simply you will join this fair launch and get profit in future. Must buy them. You can see the details and many more information. You can see the status was upcoming sale type public, maximum buy 5 soul, and current raised you can see 0% because it was not active now. So must participate in it and buy from there and get more profit in future. And these are the detail of this project: soft cap, hard cap, and other details was also available. So must join them to get profit in future. So hopefully you will know everything about this project and must invest in it to get profit in future. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, and if you are new on my channel, press bell icon for latest videos and notification. Hope we will meet in next video.